Hey guys, Neil over here back with a new, fresh and very interesting video. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing some very interesting news of Monday 29th of June. I know it's a bit late, but I'm shooting this video for the third time cause first time it was not so good, the second time I accidentally deleted it, and this is the third time. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, then make sure you liked it, and let's get straight on the point. So the government bans 59 Chinese apps including ShareIt, UC Browser and Xandr and also TikTok. So as per the release from the Ministry of Electronics and IT, the ministry has blocked the apps under provisions of Section 969 of the IT Act as well as provisions of the IT Rules 2008. Okay, so the second update is from Apple and it's a bit sad news cause iPhone 12 series is shipped without AirPods and charging adapter. iPhone 12 Pro models are expected to come with the triple rear cameras and a LiDAR sensor. iPhone 12 series buyers may have to buy charging adapter separately. Okay, so the third update is from Chingari app. Chingari app hits 25 lakhs downloads on Google Play. So if you don't know what is Chingari app, then it's an Indian alternative of TikTok and it crossed over 25 lakhs downloads on Google Play. According to the company, the app reached the latest milestone in just less than 10 days. Recently, another TikTok rival Mitro app crossed 1 crore downloads on Google Play. Okay, so the fourth quick tech is from Apple. Apple will launch their 10.8-inch iPad in 2020 and the 8.5 iPad in 2021. New iPad models may come with the 20-watt fast adapter charger. Next iPad models will include Apple's T2 security chips. Apple will launch a new 10.8-inch iPad in the second half of 2020 and followed by an 8.5-inch model in the first half of 2021. So the next quick tech is a good news from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy Fold Lite rumored to launch at next year at around $830. So Samsung Galaxy Fold was initially planned for August 5, but it will come next year. Update number 6 is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi Redmi 9A and Redmi 9C launching on June 30th. Redmi 9A and Redmi 9C will be unveiled in Malaysia on June 30th. Alright, 7th update is from Snapchat. Snapchat Spectacles 2 and Spectacles 3 smart glasses by Snap to launch in India on 4th of July. The starting price will be 14,999 and will available on Flipkart. Spectacles 2 and Spectacles 3 offer HD video recordings and photos. Spectacles 3 can capture 3D photos as well as the videos. Both the smart glasses can record 70 videos on a single charge. So update number 8 is coming from Realme. Realme 5i and Realme 6 price in India increased by 1000. Realme 5i now starts at 10,999 instead of 9,999. That comes with the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. Realme 6 now starts at 14,999 instead of 13,999. This variant is also 4GB RAM and 64GB variant. Okay, so the next update is from OnePlus. OnePlus upcoming TV series will have 3 models and it will launch on July 2nd. Through a tweet, the company shared that the starting price of upcoming TV models will be range 1x999 and it will go up to 4x999. So 10th update is from Amazon. Amazon workers in Germany to go on strike over coronavirus infections. Workers at 6 Amazon sites in Germany will go on strike on Monday. The strike could last 48 hours. Amazon has been accused of putting profit ahead of safety of their workers. Okay, so the 11th update is from Realme. Realme X3 Super Zoom and Realme X3 brings June 2020 update. Realme Pesa app has now been added only for Indian users. The Realme X3 Super Zoom and Realme X3 haven't gone on the sale yet, but they solve the heating problem of side-mounted fingerprint sensor. So let's move on to the next update. A report says OnePlus Nord to feature 32 megapixel dual selfie camera setup. OnePlus Nord is said to have an 8 megapixel secondary selfie camera at the front also. The OnePlus Nord, the upcoming OnePlus phone that was earlier rumored as OnePlus Z, is reportedly going to feature a dual selfie camera setup. Alright, so 13th update is good news for PUBG players. PUBG Mobile Update 0.19.0 coming on July 7th with a new Levick map. PUBG Mobile has shared this post on Twitter from its official account. PUBG Mobile Update 0.19.0 will bring the new Livic map and it will be downloaded on July 7. But PUBG Mobile has not shared information on Erangel 2.0. Okay, so the next update is from Jio. A report says Jio brings free 2 GB high-speed data pack for selected users. Jio users can check the free data allocations in My Jio app. The benefits are available for 4 days. So last update is from Oppo F15 Blazing Blue color variant launched in India. Blazing Blue price in India is set at 18,990. Oppo F15 was launched in January this year. Oppo F15 price in India has also been reduced by 3,000. So that's it for today's video. If you're still watching this video, then thank you so much for watching my entire video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel down below and like this video. Share this video with your friends and family members. So see you guys in the next one. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.